Hi friends, I just wanted to share with you some winnings from a giveaway that I recently participated in. It was hosted by Laura over at Laura's Plans and Crafts. I will have her channel linked down below. If you're not already subscribed to her or familiar with her channel, definitely go check her out and subscribe. But she had hosted a challenge / giveaway celebrating her second YouTube anniversary. So this was the first challenge that I've ever participated in, and I was so thankful to be one of the winners. So I'm just gonna go through what I won. This gorgeousness here is all just extra Happy Meal items that she sent to me with the main prize. This was the main prize, the Spellbinders kit here. So I will go through this first. She did already do a video of what was inside, but in case you didn't see that, I'll quickly go through what's inside here. So I'm just gonna turn it so it fits on my desk. But here are all the goodies inside. I did kind of go through it already. So we have some dies here, which you guys know I don't do die cutting. I don't have a die cutting machine, but I may have to invest in one and play around with these because they look so cute and fun. And then we have some stamps here, which I absolutely love. I've been getting into stamping a lot more, and all of these sentiments are so cute. And then here we just have some tape. We've got some foam dots, a little baggie of sequins, and then there are these cute chipboard frames, and then some die cut shapes. And I'm not gonna take everything out, but I see some doilies, some florals. I think there's some birds or butterflies in here. Yep. So just a bunch of cute little pieces of ephemera here. So gorgeous. And then these are just some little chipboard embellishments. And there's some on the back as well. And those are all so cute. I love these little tickets here. And then these are just the blank cards and envelopes. And then there's a 6x6 paper pad as well. And so these are all the different designs. I'll just quickly kind of flip through. So I just love all these florals and rainbows. I think there's a bird one. Yep, this one is so cute. I love that. So really cute paper pad. I think there's 2 of each design. And that's it for this little card making kit. So thank you so much, Laura, for hosting such a fun challenge and giveaway. I was really excited to win my first challenge that I've ever participated in, but I'm mostly just so thankful and grateful. So thank you so much to Laura. And now I'm just gonna go through these other items that she sent. She did include a little thank you card that I already read. I did already go through this first policy envelope here, so I already know what's inside, but how gorgeous is this policy envelope? She does have a tutorial on these envelopes, so I will also link that down below so you can make one of these yourself. But I love this size, and I love what she did on the front. You are capable of amazing things. So cute with the butterfly and all the flowers. And so initially I thought she had just sent the envelopes, but she put things inside, and that is just so special and kind of you, Laura. So thank you so much. You did not have to do that. So in this one here, she just included some extra little ephemera pieces, and I'm not gonna take them out either, but I can already tell they are so gorgeous. Just exactly the kind of style that I like. There's birds, flowers, and all of those goodies. And then there are 2 cards here. They're just blank. I love this one with the tag. And then there's 2 envelopes to go with them. But who knows, I might just use these in junk journals, or I can even turn the whole card into a journal itself. So we'll see what I do with those. Next, we have this policy envelope, and I think this is the one she made in her tutorial, if I am not mistaken. Have a fabulous day. I love that. I actually really love doing makeup as well. That's like one of my other, when I have time, it's one of my other hobbies that I like to do, but only on rare occasions do I get to really like go all out. But anyway, in here, this is gorgeous. I think this is some tulle or something like that. And it has these sparkly little sequins. Well, they're not really sequins, but they're sparkly and glittery. And let me just try to open this up. Let me move this actually. I don't know if you can see, but maybe with this neutral background you can. That is so pretty. It reminds me of a mermaid. So this is so gorgeous and perfect for like summer crafting, and I don't know, it just reminds me of the ocean and mermaids. So thank you so much for that, Laura. And then here's the other one. The little pearls are coming off a little bit, but that's okay. I can glue them back on, and I will. But this one is so pretty with the gold doily in the back here. And then the print of the paper, I love that. And I just love envelopes. You guys know this. So you know I'm gonna be using and repurposing these envelopes as well. But, oh, she sent me some stickers. You know, I've been wanting to get puffy stickers, and these are puffy stickers, and they would be so great in a junk journal. So thank you so much for that, Laura. And then this is the last policy envelope she sent me. It says Slay the Day. I just love this paper. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. Oh my gosh. And in here, she has some little wooden pieces. And there's all different kinds. There's like a leaf, a cloud, a bike, butterflies, some sunglasses. I see another little bird and an anchor. She knows what I like. She knows, I have to say. And then just some glittery flowers here. I think these are like felt, maybe, but how stinking cute. I love anything glittery. Of course, anything flowery I love. So thank you so much, Laura. You did not have to do that. She literally filled each of her envelopes with some goodies, and Oh my gosh, I'm just so grateful and thankful, and I can't say that enough. So thank you, Laura, and thank you for watching this video today. So go check out Laura's channel and her tutorial so you can make one of these cute policy envelopes as well. I mean, this is such a nice size too. I'm probably gonna make a lot of these as well using her tutorial, because you can even fold them in half this way and make a mini junk journal. I'm not gonna fold these ones obviously because she has decorated them so beautifully, but there's just so many ways that you can use envelopes. So go check out her channel and her tutorial, and I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.